Good morning children. Today I will discuss the assignment related to the topic matter around us. In this assignment we are having 2 questions and 5 objectives. First question, what is meant by diffusion? What is meant by diffusion? Diffusion is nothing but the movement of air, vapor and smoke from one place to the another place. One place to the another place is called as diffusion. The phenomenon of movement of air, vapor and smoke from one place to the another place is known as diffusion. For example, in our daily life, at one corner of the room, if we keep the incense stick, the fragrance can be observed at other end of the room also. This is because of the reason their air particles are moving. So, that process is called as diffusion. Second one, explain the activity of diffusion of gases. Explain the activity of diffusion of gases. In this activity, the aim of this activity is to check the speed of the diffusion of gases. To check the speed of diffusion of gases. Here we are going to consider 2 gases and we will check the speed of diffusion of those 2 gases. For this activity, materials required are long glass tube with scale, provided with the scale, HCl solution, ammonia solution, tongs, pieces of cotton and rubber corks. Procedure. In this activity, here we need to take the long glass tube provided with the scale, and we need to soak the pieces of cotton in HCl solution. And we need to place this cotton ball at one end of the glass tube using the tongs. Similarly, in another end of the glass tube, we need to place the cotton piece which is dipped in the ammonia solution. With the help of tong, we need to keep at another end of the test tube. Finally, this test tube should be covered with the rubber corks so that gases will not be escaped from this test tube. After some time, slowly hydrogen gas will be liberated from this hydrochloric acid cotton. From another side, ammonia gas is also liberated from the cotton ball which is soaked in the ammonia solution. Because of the reaction of these 2 gases, white color fumes chloride will be formed. Ammonium chloride, white fumes. With white color fumes we can observe the formation of ammonium chloride. Here actually ammonium chloride is formed, that white color fumes are formed just nearer to the hydrochloric acid cotton ball. This is because of the reason this ammonia gas moved fastly, diffused very fastly compared to the hydrochloric acid. This is because of the reason hydrochloric acid is having the mass 36.5 whereas ammonia gas is having a mass 17. Because of its less weight, the diffusion of this ammonia gas takes place fastly compared to this hydrochloric acid gas. Because of that reason, as it is moving fast, white color fumes of ammonium chloride will be formed just nearer to the hydrochloric acid. This can be observed on the scale which is present in the glass tube. This is the activity. From this activity, we can conclude that diffusion of gases takes place. Here, we can also check the speed of diffusion of different gases like hydrochloric acid and the ammonia gas. This is nothing but diffusion of gases. Next, objectives. First one, which matter has high rate of diffusion? Which matter has high rate of diffusion? The answer is gaseous state of matter has high rate of diffusion because the spaces between the gaseous particles are very high due to the very less intermolecular force of attraction. Because of that reason, here the matter has high rate of diffusion is gas. Give one example for diffusion in our daily life. As we discussed now, smell of burning incense stick, is the best example for the diffusion of gases in our daily life. Next one, the space between the gas particles is very high. The space between the gas particles is very high. So, as there is a large distance between the gaseous particles, diffusion also takes place high. Diffusion high. Diffusion rate low for diffusion rate low for solids. Generally, there is a very less space between the particles in case of solids. They are very tightly packed. So, diffusion of the particles is very less in case of solids. Last one, the process of changing solid to liquid is known as fusion or It can also be called as melting, fusion or melting. This is the assignment. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.